Hannah Howard and welcome to the Local Roundup. So guess what? Vending machines for marijuana. Yep, you can now get your fix for marijuana at vending machines, with the proper ID, that is. While traditional vending machines dispense goodies, the Zazz will dispense goodies of another kind. The automatic pot selling machine was unveiled in Avon, Colorado. But you won't find these machines at your local grocery store, or at least not yet. For now, the Zazz is aimed for use by medical marijuana patients, sort of like an automated checkout. This machine could help dispensary owners keep better track of their inventory. Although you won't find the Zazz at DMR, you might find the resort has changed hands. Chuck Cobb, the resort's chairman, owns a slight ownership majority of the ski resort, and he is looking for a buyer for some or all of his ownership shares. Cobb will be 78 years old soon, and he wants to restructure his investment portfolio. Various scenarios are possible as Cobb and other investors are exploring their options. Speaking of options, would you like renewable energy? There is a new solar agreement that can offset users' electrical costs. The La Plata Electric Association Board of Directors has approved an agreement with 4 community solar gardens that will allow its customers to buy or invest in solar panels to offset their electrical costs. It gives everybody a chance to have some solar power one way or another. Saving energy could save you money, but with taxes, maybe not. However, your chances of being audited this year are lower than they've been in years. And hopefully you got your taxes done in time, because tomorrow is the 15th, so you better hurry if you haven't. Budget cuts and new responsibilities are straining the Internal Revenue Service's ability to police tax returns. And this year, the IRS will have fewer agents auditing returns than at any time since at least the 1980s. Better technology is helping to offset some budget cuts, but if you operate a business that deals in cash, your chances of getting audited are much, much lower. Up-to-date tax software can help with getting those taxes done, but you might also want to update your operating system as well. For all you Windows XP users, listen up. Microsoft will no longer be supporting the software. If your PC is more than 5 years old, it is likely running Windows XP. While you can still use XP, the company will no longer provide updates and security fixes, which opens the door for hackers to play havoc with your system. Best advice: if you are not all that tech savvy, consider updating your operating system or buying a new computer. You don't need a computer to have a garden, but having good seed stock is a must. Coming up today on In the Neighborhood, it's time to start your garden. And a new seed library in town could give you an edge on producing abundant crops. That's today at 3 p.m. on In the Neighborhood, right here on FourCornersTV.com. Thanks for watching the Local Roundup. I'm Hannah Howard, and I hope you have a great day.